Hey guys, this is Andrew from Mockups Design. Today I'm going to show you how to use a basic mockup in a quick and efficient way. For this tutorial we'll be working with this business card mockup, which can be downloaded from Mockups Design for free. I will leave the link in the description so you can try it yourself. To download the mockup, all you need to do is to click on the big blue download button. Once the download is finished, you will see a few PSD files along with their previews. For this tutorial I choose business card number 5. To start working with this mockup, we first need to delete this layer by pressing delete or backspace. Now, in order to edit the look of this mockup, we need to find a smart object layer, the one that holds the design. Smart objects are special container layers that keep designs or graphic elements inside them. We can find smart object layers in the Layers panel. They are marked with this small icon on their thumbnail. To edit a smart object, we just double-click on its thumbnail. Now we're inside the smart object, and here we can design our project from scratch. But since that's not the most efficient way to work, we'll just paste a design that I've prepared beforehand. I've opened my design as a separate file. I'll select all, copy, go back to the smart object and paste the design here. Now I'll save it and close it. And that's it. As you can see, the design of the business card has changed. Easy. Now we need to change the colors of the background and the business card edges. Let's go back to the Layers panel. There you will see 3 color layers: edges, wall and the background. To change a color, just double click on its thumbnail and choose your own color. That was fast. Our mockup looks completely different, and we've made all those changes in just seconds. I try to make my mockups look great in every scenario you can imagine. Watch this. I'll just change this design to black. Now I will update the colors. And look, it still looks perfect. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.